You hear it all the time, right? AI in business. It promises incredible efficiency, a huge competitive edge. But what about the hidden costs? And I'm not talking about the development budget. I'm talking about these deep ethical pitfalls that can totally undermine trust, cause real harm, and at the end of the day, really damage a company's bottom line. So let's dive in and explore these challenges. This is Chapter 2 of a 10-chapter course on AI ethics, business, and society by Virtualization Options LLC.
So in this explainer, we're going to unpack 4 really critical ethical challenges that businesses are facing with AI. We've got algorithmic bias, the whole black box dilemma, data's double-edged sword, and this one might surprise you, AI's environmental footprint.
Okay, so let's jump into our first challenge. It's one of the most stubborn problems in all of AI. Bias. We like to think of machines as being totally objective, right? But what happens when they start learning from our very human and, let's be honest, often very flawed history? Well, you get this. Algorithmic bias. It's when an AI system's results create unfair outcomes that systematically put certain groups at a disadvantage. And here's the kicker, this almost never comes from someone trying to be malicious. Nope, the AI is just learning from us, and it ends up amplifying the patterns of discrimination that are already baked into our historical data. And this sets off a really vicious cycle. See, it all starts when an AI is trained on old data that reflects past discrimination. The algorithm learns these biased patterns, but it has zero social context. So these patterns then start fueling automated decisions, but at a massive scale, causing real harm. And by the time anyone even discovers this is happening, the bias is so deeply woven into the system that it's incredibly difficult and super expensive to fix. I mean, you don't have to look any further than what happened with Amazon's AI recruiting tool. They trained it on 10 years of their own hiring data, and it actually learned to penalize resumes that had words suggesting the applicant was a woman. They tried to fix it, but the bias just kept popping up. The main point here? They couldn't trust their own system. They had to scrap the whole thing. The fact that they couldn't just easily fix the bias in that system, well, that leads us perfectly into our next challenge, the black box dilemma. What happens when we can't even explain why an AI made a certain decision? It creates this huge accountability problem. Let's make this personal for a second. Imagine an AI turns you down for a loan, or maybe it rejects your job application. Don't you think you have a right to know why? I mean, without an explanation, how could you possibly appeal the decision? You can't even check if it was just a simple mistake. And that right there is the core of the black box problem. The inner workings of these super complex AI systems, we're talking deep neural networks with millions of parameters, are so murky that tracing the exact logic is next to impossible. This is such a big deal that new regulations like the EU's AI Act are actually starting to demand explainability for any high-risk systems. And listen, this isn't just about doing the right thing for the sake of it. There's a really powerful business case for being transparent. When you can actually explain how your AI works, you build trust. It also lets you find and fix the very biases we were just talking about. It goes way beyond just legal compliance. It's about building better, more reliable systems from the get-go. Now, both of these issues, bias and transparency, they hinge on one critical thing: data. AI is absolutely fueled by it, which makes data a company's most valuable asset. But that very same asset can turn into its single biggest liability in a flash. As an asset, data is just incredible, right? It lets you personalize everything, it drives efficiency, it uncovers amazing insights. But as a liability, it's terrifying. Every single piece of data you collect creates a new privacy risk and another potential weak spot for a security breach. It's a true double-edged sword. Okay, take a look at this number. $45 million. What do you think that represents? A company's big investment in a new AI? Maybe the profits that a super successful algorithm generated? Nope. This was the fine that the trading platform Robinhood had to pay the SEC. Why? For systemic failures in protecting its customer data. It's a really stark reminder of the massive financial hit a company can take when its data strategy goes south. All right, and now for our final and maybe most overlooked challenge, the environmental footprint. It turns out the digital world of AI has a very real and very large physical cost to our planet. Just try to wrap your head around the scale of this impact. The carbon emissions from training just one large AI model can be the same as the entire lifetime emissions of 5 cars. Let that sink in for a second. The lifetime of 5 cars for a single training run. And it's not just about carbon. Data centers already use about 2% of all global electricity. And AI workloads? They're a rapidly growing slice of that already huge pie. Some folks are projecting that demand could jump by 40% every single year. And on top of all that, you've got the water footprint. The insane amount of heat these data centers generate requires a massive amount of water to cool them down. In fact, training just one large AI model can use the equivalent of 3 million bottles of water. So where does all this leave us? We've walked through 4 distinct, but as you can see, deeply connected challenges. Navigating them isn't just a technical problem. It's really our collective responsibility. So to recap, we've seen how AI can amplify historical bias, how its black box nature can just destroy accountability, how its hunger for data creates this huge liability, and how it carries a significant and growing environmental cost. But here's the most important thing to take away from all this. These are not separate problems. They are all facets of the same challenge. You can't fix bias without transparency. You can't guarantee accountability without protecting data. It all boils down to a single unified mandate. We have to build and deploy AI responsibly. At the end of the day, AI isn't some strange external force that's just acting on us. It's a mirror. It reflects our data, our priorities, and our values right back at us, which leaves us with one final and pretty powerful question. Looking into that mirror, what kind of future are we going to choose to create?